Hey guys, this is Curtis Alexander. In this video, I'm going to be going over what I see as the 5 main benefits of stem cell therapy. And I've mentioned before, stem cell therapy is something I do as part of my own personal wellness protocol. And I think it's very promising, but there's a lot of bad information out there. So this video is just an effort to try to clear some of those things up. So first of all, let's talk about in general, what is a stem cell? Well, kind of as the name applies, if you have a stem on a branch, it can grow other things. So with a stem cell, it can literally be turned. You can take one stem cell and it can be turned into all kinds of different cells, which is great. But what does that do for you if you were to get stem cell therapy? Well, one of the first things, and these are backed by studies. This isn't me just making these things up, but one of the things we can see right off the bat is they are anti-infective. Okay, so they can attack and kill viruses, fungus, and bacteria. Um, that helps to eliminate these pathogens, and then you can grow new tissue and have regeneration. The next thing that we can see that's a property of stem cells is they can attack inflammation. They can be anti-inflammatory. I would say that's not the thing they're most known for. I'll get to that in a little bit. Or I should say, I it's not the most important thing, and I'll share that in a little bit, what I think stem cells are really great at. Um, Interestingly, they're immunomodulatory, and what that means is they can, to an extent, regulate our immune systems. Some people have underactive immune systems. It can help raise that up. Some people have disease states that are caused by an overactive immune system. It can kind of tone that down so it regulates, to an extent, our immune system. Regeneration. Okay, now we have to be careful when we say regeneration because people think you're going to regrow arms and stuff, and that's where I'm kind of talking about some of the misinformation. But the point is still valid. We can look at other species that have a very high amount of stem cells in their body. A good example would be salamanders that can actually regrow arms and stuff if they get cut off. I'm not saying that, but we have seen the ability of stem cells to help regenerate tissue to an extent. So that repair, building, and creating. Now, this one is really interesting. Okay, number 5, the gentleman who discovered and named mesenchymal stem cells was quoted as saying that, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have called them mesenchymal stem cells. I should have called them signaling cells, because he goes, the research shows that's one of the most important things that stem cell therapy can do. And in this case, we have seen that when you receive stem cell therapy, there can be a signaling to, because in your capillaries right now, me and you have stem cells that may be dormant, they may not be active. Stem cells are great at signaling other cells in your body what to do, just like when we were talking about the immune system. It sends those signals to increase the immune system, lower it. The same thing happens. It can go in and help signal to your dormant stem cells to become active, to wake up, those sorts of things. So when you hear stem cell therapy, you have to be very careful. I think they're very beneficial. I wouldn't do them if I didn't think that. They've been beneficial for me. I've seen them, other people who've said the same thing, but they're not a cure-all. They're not a miracle cure. They're not like that. We're very early in our understanding of stem cell therapy. But with that being said, the evidence does show that these 5 benefits are real, they're legit, and it may be something you want to think about. If you want to learn about other therapies like this, make sure to go to the link in the description to my website. I'll send you a free checklist, and these are things that I do in my own personal wellness protocol, stem cells being one of them, but I do many other things, and they're safe and they've proven to help. So I'd love to gift that to you. If you want to go down, click the link. I'll send that to you right away. It's free. So let me know in the comments, have you taken stem cells? What was your experience with it? Were they helpful? Not helpful? Let me know your thoughts, and in the comments below. I'll do my best to respond as I do more videos. I'm finding it tough to keep up, but it's helpful for me and it's helpful for other people that watch the video, guys. So let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.